Okay, everybody. This is a shout out video, and I'm shouting out to Simon Lansdale and Tiger Lane. And they asked me to do an Elvis song, but I'm also going to shout out to Reese Morin from a long time ago. So here's the deal. If you answer this, if you respond to this video with something funny and crazy or stupid, I will make a song out of it, and I will shout out your name.
Yeah, but it was no good, so I edited it. Just call this edit.
So what we're going to do, we're going to do a shout out. I'm not sure to who. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class, but that was just a lie. They said that you was high class, but that was just a lie. They never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Oh, 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 oh. Da 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 da. Yeah, da 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 da. Ah.